Good morning, students. This is the time for computer class and I am your computer teacher. So we are continuing the lesson MS PowerPoint 2010, a presentation tool. Till now in this chapter I have explained what is presentation graphics software, the different types of presentations graphics software, the features of a presentation graphics softwares, what is MS PowerPoint, how to start MS PowerPoint 2010, the different options available to start the MS PowerPoint 2010, the component of MS PowerPoint 2010 window, the different components like title bar, quick access toolbar, ribbon, the three components of ribbon like tab, command and group, tabs, groups, commands, their definitions, their uses, file tab, slide area, help button, slide tab, view button, note section, zoom control, status bar. Next topic, basic elements of a slide. In this topic, I explained about what is slide, what is presentation, what is a placeholder, what is title box, what is subtitle box, what is content box, the different steps to include the content box. Next topic that I have discussed is slideshow. What is slideshow, where it is present, how to run the slides. Next topic is slide layout. We have discussed what is slide layout, what are the different types of slide layout like title slide, title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption. Next topic that we have discussed is creating a new presentation. What are the different steps to create a new presentation? Adding slides in a presentation. What are the steps to add slides in a presentation? Changing the layout of existing slides. How can we change the layout of existing slide? The different steps to change the layout of existing slides. Saving a presentation. What are the different steps to save a presentation? Next topic that we have discussed is working with different views of a slide. Number 1, with the ways to access the views in PowerPoint. Different types of views like normal view, slide sorter view, notes page view, slideshow view, reading view. Next topic that we have discussed is working with slides. Here we have discussed how to add the titles and subtitles in a slide, how to add the text box on a slide, how to add the text in a text box. Next we have discussed working with text. Here we have discussed how to select the text with the help of mouse or keyboard, copying and pasting the text, deleting the text. These were some of the topics that we have discussed theoretically in our videos. So today I am going to give you a practical demo of how to work on PowerPoint, MS PowerPoint 2010. So before starting the MS PowerPoint 2010, click on the start button over here. Click on the start button. As soon as you click on the start button, you will get the option of PowerPoint shortcut over here. Left click over the PowerPoint shortcut. As soon as you left click on the PowerPoint shortcut, look, the window of PowerPoint get appeared over here. By default, the name of your document MS PowerPoint window is presentation 1. Microsoft PowerPoint is written over here. So this is the window of MS PowerPoint. So starting MS PowerPoint, I have explained you how to start the MS PowerPoint. The different components of MS PowerPoint 2010. The first component is title bar. The The topmost bar is known as the title bar. This is the title bar over here. The title of your window that appeared before you is presentation 1. Since we have not saved it, so it is presentation 1. Now if you save it, whatever name you give in the save text box, that name would appear over here. So this is the title bar, the topmost bar over here. It contains the quick access toolbar on the left side, and on the right side minimize button, maximize button and close button. So this is the title bar. Next we have quick access toolbar. So this is the quick access toolbar over here. We have the office button over here. Like we can click on the office button, we will get the option of new, open, save, save as, etc. So in this way